Okay, how is it going? Elkard, my name is Lona Wolf. You're watching Cryptid Cries. Hope you're having a great day night thing. Kind of late at night, but, yeah. We're gonna see if I can make it to... Jeez, it's loud. To, 55. 5 in this. If not, then tomorrow I'll make one, because we're extremely close to it, so might as well try and get it. Ooh, that was nice. That'll save me in the long run. But yeah. There's supposed to be one here. Do you see it? Okay, that's confusing. Yeah, a little confusing, but okay. Not gonna complain. If I win this one and I don't get a award or whatever for it, I might try the... I wouldn't say challenges, but guess that... What? There's supposed to be one here too. I don't... Okay, okay, there's that one. I was about to say. And there's that one. So let's see. Yay, one. Ooh, that's good too. Okay, so I didn't get anything. We accidentally tabbed to that. Let's see what in here. Ooh, do I have that? Dang it, I can't. And I've never gotten that too. Who knows, maybe while I'm doing this, I'll get it. I don't know. Okay. That's kind of adorable. Actually, warthog hunt. Oh, let's see here. Got that. Okay, 19. That works, I guess. Isn't that guaranteed? I've had better. Yeah. 598. Please be like a 599. Could really use one of those. Or at least a... Okay, that was even better. Thank you. Oh, right. I forgot. Hiding that then. Since I can't finish this thing, I'll just do the ouch challenges. Too nice. Oops, accidentally clicked that. Let's see, challenges. 8, 16, and my best is... Okay, I'll be in like... I could be in like top 10, so... Come on, please be like a 20. What's that? Oh, a 12. Try even better. Seven. What am I at now? 9. Wait. No, I'm in second. Okay, I was about to say, what? Okay, that didn't make sense. Yeah, a second. Okay, personal best. Past the 8. Past the 8. Okay, I don't know which one I hit there. That was garbage, but okay. Let's see. Not yet. Okay. So I definitely don't think I'm gonna be able to do anything, but and just scare the crap out of myself. Okay, turn that down. Let's see. Now next up's D10. Okay, that's good. This will just let's see what animal is it? Probably. Yeah. Cool. Now let's go with this one. I guess try to okay. Let's see. Okay, good. Okay, I'm guessing fallow. Yeah. Sorry, my mind is drawing up like on what I should talk about because I'm too intent on trying to see what I can do to dang it, to like level up to level 50. 55. Fallow deer, 4, and then okay, what I want, I guess. Oh, my thumb accidentally touched the fire button before I was actually ready to shoot. Ooh. Oh. Make sure there's no legendaries hanging around. Oh, there's another another otter. Come here, otter. Oh, that's weird how it just slumps over like that. But I mean, I guess that's what it would most likely do if you shot it with an arrow. I don't know. It'd probably be more graphic than that. Yeah. Let's see. I'm still shocked with the white Wolverine. Oh, Bunny. Hey, Bunny. Come here, Bunny. That's what I expected to do, just poof, super quickly, because it got a long stick practically going through its body. And it's going through its body with immense power. Oh, barely even noticed you. Yeah, okay. So, sometime tomorrow, I'll, do another video, cause guarantee you when I start this up tomorrow, I'll have had enough to, upgrade. Or, well, yeah, get points to level up, so yeah. But, yeah, so until next time, I'll see y'all on the next hunt. And, oh God. I'm considering on doing, maybe cryptid cries more often, but I do kind of like, I mean, not cryptid cries, cryptid times more often. Because, I mean, it's in the name, cryptids, stuff like that. And that was the intent on the channel. But then I was like, that wouldn't get boring. It's just, with my lack of editing skills and all of that, it would definitely be boring. Considering I don't think many people watch them anyhow. Or like all the way through, which is unfortunate because I really like them. But I can understand there's nothing to catch the eye. So, yeah, I'm trying to decide on whether I should do them more often, because for namesake, and that's technically what the intent was to do, was like ghosts, cryptids, like anything horror-esque. But also, not to mention I do like how how I am a spirit. I do like how I am a variety channel too. Spirit about headbutted my phone. I don't need him accidentally hitting something and ruining the recording, like somehow deleting the footage or whatever, or swiping it away and that somehow deletes the footage. I don't know. But yeah, let me know down in the comments below if you like how they're less often. Thank you for sneezing on me, Spirit. Or, anyways, yeah, let me know down in the comments below if you like how they're more rare in quotation marks, or like they're not as often, or as I've been doing recently this year, more often. Let me know what you like. But yeah, so until next, first of all, if you've gotten to this far into the video, I'm obviously doing something right. So, and if you keep coming back to my channel, whether it's through shorts or whatever, and you like the content, maybe subscribe if you would like. we're close to 50 now, 50 subs now, so that's good. Well, we're halfway there because it's 45 subscribers, but I have a hard time believing that 45 will stay. It might fluctuate between 45, 46, 44, like it did with the 30, but yeah, obviously, please subscribe, get me to the 50 subscriber mark, and then if I get to 50 subs, that may be when I release my next Cryptid time. Or I may release a kind of Cryptid time-esque, but it's a little different. It's not with cryptids. Let's just say that. So, yeah. Please, if you like my content, please subscribe. If you want to share with other people who you think might like my content as well. But yeah, so until next time, I'll see y'all on the next hunt. Bye.